May I come in? May I come in? Yes, please. Yes, please. What's your plan today? What's your plan today? I will study and rest. I will study and rest. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I am waiting for him. I am waiting for him. How can I go there? How can I go there? By bus. By bus. When is the meeting? When is the meeting? It's at 10 a.m. It's at 10 a.m. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Yes, I agree. Yes, I agree. What's the matter? What's the matter? I have a headache. I have a headache. Are you feeling well? Are you feeling well? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What do you like most? What do you like most? I like music. I like music. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. What should I do? What should I do? Just wait. Just wait. Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I am looking for my key. I am looking for my key. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's good. I think it's good. Do you eat? Do you eat? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. What did you eat? What did you eat? I ate rice. I ate rice. Are you at home? Are you at home? Yes, I am at home. Yes, I am at home. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in the city. I live in the city. Do you like coffee? Do you like coffee? No, I prefer tea. No, I prefer tea. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? About my future. About my future. Is he your brother? Is he your brother? No, he is my cousin. No, he is my cousin. How long will it take? How long will it take? About 10 minutes. About 10 minutes. Can you wait for me? Can you wait for me? Yes, I can wait. Yes, I can wait. What do you want to learn? What do you want to learn? I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. Did you understand everything? Did you understand everything? Almost everything. Almost everything. Who is with you now? Who is with you now? My family is with me. My family is with me. Are you comfortable here? Are you comfortable here? Yes, very comfortable. Yes, very comfortable. What's the hurry? What's the hurry? I am getting late. I am getting late. Are you learning English? Are you learning English? Yes, I am learning. Yes, I am learning. What are you doing later? What are you doing later? I don't have any plans. I don't have any plans. Did you take a bath? Did you take a bath? Yes, I already did. Yes, I already did.